We have a little bird who is likely fallen from his nest. This is day 2. Haven't named him yet. Like to get suggestions from everybody on what to name this little birdie. If it survives and develops like one did a few years ago, might be able to observe this bird maturing to flight. Last time that happened, it was a hawk. I'm not sure if this is a hawk or, as my buddy suspects, I have a neighbor who thinks it might be a cardinal. I'm voting for hawk. The hawk family. I don't know specifically the exact nature, but at any rate, it's moved positions several times over the last 2 days. Haven't been able to determine if it's wounded, but I don't think it is based on its movement. So, at the moment, I need to figure out a way to cut the grass, which has gotten rather high since I've been on my trip. So, I just won't cut this back area today. Marked the spot with a flag so I can come back and keep checking. Anytime I leave him for more than an hour or so, he finds a different location. Looks like this is where he spent the night. Get him through the next couple of days, he might be in a position to take flight. So, any suggestions out there on anything else I should be doing? I'm observing, but I'm not getting involved. Somebody out there thinks I should be doing something a little bit more proactive. I look forward to your comments. Got a name? Send me your suggestions.